Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to Geography class. In this class, we are going to do the revision. Today is 29 January 2021. Here we are going to see the upcoming point in the social science too. First, as the revision is going on, I want to make you clear about that. All the revision points are very important. Today we are going to see the revision of the chapter number 4, map. In the revision part, we will see about the gist of the chapter as well as the question answers of this chapter. First, the learning objective. By doing this revision part, you are going to understand about the importance of map in the study of geography. You will come to know about the different types of map, the next components of map, what is globe, and lastly the sketch versus plan and question answers of this chapter. First we are going to see about the different types of map. Okay, in the topic covering part, the characterization of the few points I will explain you in the detail. First, map. What is the meaning of map? We will see characteristics of the map, components of the map, conventional symbol, types of map, physical map, political, thematical, large scale map, small scale map, globe, and last topic, sketch versus plan. So dear children, already in my explanatory videos, regular class, already I explained this topic very well to you. So please go through that video also and this video also. So map. What is map? You have learned in previous chapter about the advantage of the globe. How globe has limitation as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. So when we are studying the earth as a whole, the globe is very useful. But when we want to study only one part of the earth to study, as about our country, state, district, town or village, it is a little help. In such situation, we are using map. And what is the map? So map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. But it is impossible to flatten a round shape completely. So we find that the maps are very useful to us for various purposes. One map shows a small area and few facts. Another map may contain as many facts as a big book. When many maps are put together, we get an atlas. So what is atlases are? Already we had seen. You are also having the atlas book. In that number of the maps are there with the different size and shape and different scale. Atlas are the various size, measurements drawn on the different scale. So map provides more information than the globe. They are of different type. Some of them are described below. So we are going to see about what are the different types of maps are there. Next, characteristics of map. So a map should typically have latitude, longitude, a title in the bold letter at the top, and an arrow indicating the direction north placed to the top, legends indicating symbol used on the map, and optionally the color to indicate the the content in the map like water, mountain and plants. So let's have an example and understand it. So this is the example. Then you are understanding here. This is the outline political map of India. First, title should have, right? Next, legends. This is there. The next, longitudes and latitudes. Okay. Scale is given there. Color. Right. Next, we are going to understand about the types of map. So map can be different types. Physical maps, political map and thematic map. Maps are having the three types, and map can also be categorized based on the scale, large scale and small scale. We are going to see all these 5 points in the detailed one in the upcoming slides. First, physical map. Map showing natural features of the earth like mountain, plain, river, etc. are called as physical map or relief map. Right? So, image shows a relief map of India. So, this is the image you can see clearly. This is the physical map of India. Next, political map. Map showing cities, towns, villages and different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called as political map. So, image shows a political map of India. So, let's check out what is the political map of India. So, this is the political map of India. After observing it, next we are going to move for the thematic maps. Thematic maps. Maps that focus on specific information such as road, rainfall, distribution of forests, industries, etc. are called as thematic maps. Image below shows thematic map of India, natural vegetations and climatic zone. So let's check out them. Okay? This is the natural vegetation of India is a thematic map which shows the distribution of forests in India. Next, this is the India's climatic zone map. Okay, so what are thematic map? It's clear to you. Next, thematic maps, more examples. Image below shows the thematic map of Indian Railway and minor crop. Notice the usage of color, legend and symbols. See this, the railway network and the minor crop area. So these are thematic map. So what are thematic map? You should not be confused. For that purpose, I placed the 4 images for you. Now it's going to be clear to you. Please observe carefully. Next, moving further, components of map. So we are having the 3 components of map, DDS. That means distance, direction and symbol. Distance. Map are drawn to reduce scale. A scale is chosen to represent the distance between the 2 places. And what is scale? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground to the distance shown in the map. Direction. The 4 major directions are there. North, east, west, south are. Okay? And which are commonly called as cardinal points. Symbols give a lots of information in a limited shape. So we are going to understand this point in a detailed one. Let's move. This is the cardinal direction and a compass. It is shown here, the cardinal direction north, south, east, west and the internal direction. This is the compass which is showing north, south and other directions. Next, conventional symbol. Okay, we are going to see the image which is given in our textbook. What are conventional symbol? Already I placed you one homework to draw the conventional symbols, and they are the part and participle for 5 marks in the annual examination also. So please study the conventional symbol very properly. So this is the figure number 4.3 from the textbook speaking about the conventional symbol which are universally accepted. So please revise this one. What are conventional symbols? Please see the figure number 4.3 very clearly, where the railway line, roads, boundary, river, temple, post office and settlements, trees, grass are shown there. Next, large scale map. What are large scale map? We are going to see when a small area is shown in a detail giving more information, it is called large scale map. For example, the map of the city, village, field, garden private property. The scale may be 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer or 1 centimeter is equals to 100 meter, like that. Example, this one. Next, small scale map. When a large area is represented on a single map, it is the small scale map. Large area is showing in a single map. These such feature as a mountains, river appear small in these map. Examples of small scale maps are map of continent and map of countries. Let's see. See this. Okay. Next, moving further, globe. What is globe? Let's check out. Already you have seen the globe. It's look very old. So by the photograph you can understand about globes are very important and people used to preserve it and it is to used for their purpose. Globe is a true representation of the earth's surface. Its usefulness already we had seen for the latitude and longitude, axis of the earth and distribution of the land, seasons and the time zone. Next we are going to have the comparison between the sketch versus plan. What is sketch? It is here. A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Example, a rough drawing to show the way to a friend's house. Next, plan. A plan is a drawing for a small area for a large scale. Example, a house plan drawn with a lot of detail of layout and rooms. So what is the difference? You can easily understand. Next, see the example of sketch versus plan. One image, another image. So by seeing this you can easily understand about the sketch and plan. Next, the summary is speaking, a detailed study of maps and their relevance in a day-to-day. We had seen about the typical characteristics of map, we had seen the components of map, we had seen types of map, use of globe, helpfulness of globe, and last topic we have seen the sketch versus plan. After that we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. Next, question number 1. Answer the following question briefly. So what are the components of the map? So they are DDS, distance, direction and symbol. Let's check out the answer. 3 components of the map. Okay, the slide is representing to you. Question number 2. What are the 4 cardinal directions? So that is the news. What is the meaning of news? Let's check out. Okay, news means north, south, east and west. So I am calling it news so you can easily understand about the 4 cardinal directions. Next, what do you mean by the term the large scale of the map? So here we are going to see about the scale of map. So what is the scale of map? That's a ratio, right? So scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. The question can be asked, what do you understand by the term the scale of the map? At that time it's simply meaning to you the definition of scale. The scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Next, how are maps more useful than a globe? So maps are more useful than a globe in number of the way. Already we have seen in this point. Let's check out the answer. So map provides more information than a globe. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study only a part of earth as about our country, state, district, town and village, it is little helpful. In such situation, we are using maps and they are very useful to us. So next point, distinguish between map and plan. We have seen the sketch versus plan, but here we are going to have a differentiation between the map and plan. Let's check out the answer. In the slide I am showing you, that's why it is like in the paragraph up and down, but when you are writing differentiation, make a column, write here map, then make a line, then write here plan, then write 1, 2, 3 point and 1, 2, 3 point like that. The difference between a map and a plan is given below. So map, what is the meaning of map? So first you have to write the definition of the map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. Map gives detailed information about a large portion of the Earth, whereas a plan is a drawing of the small area on a large scale. Plan gives confirmed information about a certain small area, and plan can show length and breadth of that particular area. Next, which map provide detailed information? So here, large scale map provides detailed information. Moving further, how do symbol helps in reading map? So as we have seen the conventional symbol about the railway line, trees, post office and all. So when it is going to be drawn there, you can easily understand, oh, it's a symbol of post office, so here is a post office. Okay, like that. So please check out this answer. Symbol represent road, bridge, trees, railway line, etc. and they are very helpful when we are reading map. In this way, the symbols are a convenient means of reading a map. Symbols give a lots of information in a limited space, right? Next, we are going to have tick the correct answer. So A, B, C and D is represented by the slide. The A is speaking, map showing distribution of forest. So out of this three, which map is showing the distribution of forest? So thematic map is the correct answer. So the blue color is used for showing what thing? It is water body, mountain or plain. So the correct answer is water bodies. A compass is used to which is for which purpose? To find the main direction, to show symbols or to measure the distance. So it's to find the main direction. A scale is necessary for map, for sketch or for symbol. For map it is needed. Let's check out is the answer are correct or not. So here the answer I am placing it for you. Okay. So what were the question? Just go in the back. I am going back and showing you once more. For A, we have chosen thematic map. For B, we have chosen water bodies. For C, to find the main direction. And for the D, we had seen a scale is necessary for map. So let's quickly summarize it. For A, thematic map, correct. For B, water body, it's also correct. For C, to find the main direction, yes, is correct. And the last, for a map, it is also correct. So dear children, all the part already we had finished. I request you, please continue the revision properly for the preparation of your annual examination. Lastly, the question answer which I placed here, please do the revision part. If already you have written in your notebook, that's a good one. If you are missing out, please check the answers and do the revision work properly of each and every chapter. Again, I am sending the same videos for you for the same topic in a revised manner. Please see the videos properly and get benefited for your preparation of annual examination. Till then, you please study properly and complete your homework very properly in a notebook. Thanking to each and everyone for watching the video. Till then, be safe and secure at your home. Jai